What happened to the polar bear, Finton? What happened to the polar bear? Hey? Whoops. You're funny. Let's see what happens to the polar bear this time. What happens this time? What's going on with the polar bear? What's going on with that polar bear? Let's try again. Let's try again. Up! Oh, he's stuck. Up! Reach in the face. Try again. Up! And again. That's too good. What's the polar bear doing? Up! One more time. What's the polar bear doing? Up! Do you want the polar bear? Or do you like him upstairs? Let's put him up there again then. Yeah, ready? You gonna catch him? Up! One more time. One more time. One more time. You got him. Did you get him?